Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, compass, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, tinted glass, engine immobilizer, body color door handles. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.